Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, October the 15th, 2020. We have two Sudokus left, a binary puzzle and a tectonic, and I will start first with this one, and this will be number 1, 7, 5, and 9. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If I placed number 4 here, then we still have 3 ones in a row. In this row, so 3 ones in a row is not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be in 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Then I need to compare, I think, here. Yeah. Yes, this column and the second column. Empty box. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have O here, this should be a 1. With 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here and 1 there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then. Need to compare again. Yes, need to compare again. Let me see. Oh, no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And now, can I continue? Yes, we need to compare the last column and this column. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, O, O. Yes, so we need to switch those two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O there, this should be a 1. double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. And then compare again. Unbelievable. 101. Yes. Do I need a 101? No. So we need to compare this. The columns we need to compare. Yes. This column and the first column. Alright, so 1 1 empty box, 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers, 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. A lot of comparing. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle in this additional. There are more. And I've told you earlier I won't do all of them, so the next one is the last one of today. It will be a tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.